Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a generator in Project Zomboid. First, know that a generator slowly loses condition over time while running, and if it drops too low, it can catch fire or even explode. So keeping it repaired is critical for a safe base. Before repairing, turn the generator off by right-clicking it and selecting Turn Off. You can't fix it while it's running. Next, make sure you have electronic scrap and a screwdriver in your main inventory. You get scrap electronics by dismantling electronic items with a screwdriver, like watches, radios, or other broken electronics. With the generator turned off and the scrap ready, right-click the generator again. In the menu, choose Fix Generator. Each piece of electronic scrap you use will restore a percentage of the generator's condition. The amount of condition restored depends on your electrical skill. Higher electrical skill means each scrap piece repairs more condition, so leveling electrical makes repairs more efficient over time. Always check the generator's condition regularly, especially after refueling. Many players recommend repairing it each time you turn it off or refuel to avoid letting it fall into the danger zone below around 20% condition. And that's how you repair a generator in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.